The latest in the coronavirus emergency. December is now the worst month of the pandemic in the U.S., and there are growing fears of a post-Christmas and New Year's surge. Kaylee Hartung joins us now from Los Angeles, one of the hardest hit spots in the country. Kaylee, good morning.
Good morning, Mary. Let me put this month of December into perspective for you. This is how the numbers roughly boil down. Every minute, 141 Americans are testing positive for the virus, and every hour, 102 people in this country are dying from COVID-19. This virus is at the most dangerous levels we've ever seen.
This morning, the pandemic showing no signs of slowing down and growing fears it will get much worse. The U.S. reporting nearly 5.3 million new cases this month alone as hospitals struggle to deal with the influx of patients. Across the country, nearly a third of hospitals reporting that more than 80% of their ICU beds are filled. In California, more than 50,000 new infections reported over the holiday weekend. Hospitals strained to the limit, postponing some surgeries and running low on basic supplies.
At least a dozen hospitals have been requesting additional support for mobile oxygen units.
And this morning, LA County Code Enforcement now investigating upscale Beverly Hills restaurant La Scala for allegedly planning a discreet New Year's Eve dinner in violation of COVID safety protocols that prohibit indoor dining after some customers reported finding invitations in their takeout bags. Health officials also fearing the spread of the UK virus variant, now identified in Europe and Canada, may already be in the US.
If you're worried about a new, potentially more contagious variant, it is that much more important that we follow the 4 W's. Wear a mask, wash your hands, watch your distance, and the fourth one is wait on gatherings.
There are some signs of hope. As of this weekend, nearly 2 million vaccine doses have been administered in the U.S., but that's well below the number health officials had hoped for.
The idea that we're going to get to 20 million vaccinations by the end of the year, that's probably unrealistic at this point.
But in New York, authorities investigating healthcare provider ParCare Community Health. ParCare posting images of Moderna's vaccine in its freezers. They're accused of diverting doses of the vaccine to members of the public ahead of healthcare workers, nursing home residents, and staff. ParCare saying in a statement it followed all New York State Department of Health procedures and proactively returned its vaccines pending the department's review.
So vaccinations are well underway for frontline healthcare workers at hospitals, including this one. And today, more staff and residents at nursing homes across the country will be receiving their doses. The hope being that for those vulnerable seniors who have been away from their loved ones for so long, they will soon be able to regularly and safely welcome their friends and family to visit. TJ.
All right, Kaylee, thank you so much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.